Hello, today I want to invite you to crochet with me 3D flower. It will be so beautiful for your project as a hair clip, hairpin or hairband. For the work I will use cotton yarn 50 grams 200 meters and crochet hook 1.75. To begin, we will start with 40 chains. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue till you reach 40 chains. I'm done with my chain. Now we turn, skip the first loop, and from the second loop we will start make single crochet all the way till the end. Insert into the loop, grab the yarn, bring it up, yarn over, work through 2. Continue till the end. Ready. Now we can turn our work. Make 1 chain to bring up the yarn. Insert the hook into the first loop and make single crochet. Now make 4 chains for the arch. Skip next loop, insert into the second loop from the hook and make single crochet. Again 4 chains, skip next loop, insert the hook into the second loop and make single crochet, and continue the same way. 4 chains, skip 1 loop, single crochet. Continue till the end of this row. I'm almost done. I need to make last arch and last single crochet into the last loop. Ready. Row number 3. Now we will make a petal. Turn, make slip stitch under the arch, and now make 4 chains to bring up the yarn. Now make yarn over, insert the hook into the arch, bring it up, work through 2. Do not finish. We will make 7 unfinished double crochet. This is 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, do not finish them, and 7th. Altogether will be 8 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will work back. Yarn over, work through 1 loop only. Now yarn over, work through 2 loops. Again yarn over, work through 2 loops, through 2 loops till the end. And last time. Ready. That's what we have so far. Now we will go other way. 1 chain to bring up the yarn, insert the hook into the second space. See, you have a space between stitches. Grab the yarn, make single crochet. Next space, see, between stitches, another single crochet, and the 3rd single crochet we made. Ready. Now we will make complex picot. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, insert the hook into the second loop from the hook, yarn over, bring it back, do not finish, into the 3rd, yarn over, bring it back, and into the 4th. 4 loops on a hook, yarn over, work through all loops at once. Ready. Now make 3 single crochet again on top of the petal between stitches. 1, 2, and this one the third one. Ready. Now we need to make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch into the same arch we were working on to finish our first petal. Ready. The first petal is ready. That's how beautiful it looks like. Slip stitch into the next arch and continue the same way we've done before. 4 chains, yarn over, insert under the arch and make unfinished double crochet, and make also 7 unfinished double crochet. Do not finish them. Make 7 plus chains, 8 loops on a hook, yarn over, work through 1 loop, and then yarn over, work through 2 loops till the end of this petal. Yarn over, work through 2 loops till the end. And last time. Ready. Now make 1 chain, skip the first space, insert into the second space and make single crochet. Next space, single crochet, and again the third single crochet. Now make 4 chain complex picot, insert into the second, into the third and into the fourth. Bring all loops up and work at once. Continue 3 single crochet. Now make 4 chains and slip stitch into the same arch to finish the petal. Ready. Continue exactly the same way till the end of this row. I'm about to finish. I made last petal, slip stitch, and now we can cut the yarn, leave it 60 or 50 centimeters long to sew the flower with this tail. Tight it. Now grab the needle and make a flower, make an assembling. Screw the flower on the spiral way. If you want, you can put the bead at this point, or you can put it later, you can sew it. See how I do the spiral? Not on top, close enough, but do not on top. This way flower will be a little bit flat, and you can use it in your project, even in crocheting as an Irish crochet lace, let's say. Almost ready. Now grab the needle and insert between stitches from the wrong side. I have 3 layers. Make sure you grab all 3 layers and sew back and forth several times. I will show it a little bit faster. If you want, at this point you can add hair clip, hair string or hairband and sew with the same long tail, if desired, of course. And add the bead. My thread is too thick, I divide it, and using the smaller needle I add bead. Now what I have a brooch, I have a hairband, and I have hair string with this beautiful flower. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Thank you so much and see you later.